All right, so we'll be dry and warm through the middle portion of the week. We're also going to deal with some breeziness and some fog. Well, that fog should go away maybe by that Tuesday time frame when the winds pick up a little bit, and then a front later on in the week knocking our temps down and maybe bringing us some showers as well. So above average as we hit 82. Back in 1988, we were as warm as 93 degrees. Either way, very nice out there today if you like these warm, I want to say non-summer-like feel, but doesn't feel like winter at all as well. Here's our future temperatures. We're staying above average temperature-wise until later on in the week. Now, that front is not I'm going to talk more about it. That front's not guaranteed to push all the way through, but for now, we're going to stay on the warm side. I talked about visibility. What's going to happen? Some of this moisture trapped in the lower levels, high pressure keeping it in place. We could see some of this overnight fog. Some areas denser than others, so a location, so you want to be careful if you come across this fog. Visibilities can be reduced and you can have problems on the road driving. So yes, please take her easy out there. All right, these dew points got knocked down with our latest front a couple days ago, but we're starting to see some moisture return a little bit, and we're starting to see these numbers up a little bit, and these numbers should be on the rise until eventually another cold front rings out the atmosphere and cools us off. High pressure in place for now. It's going to slowly start to slide off. That'll allow more moisture to start pushing in to the area. We might start to see some clouds, but with this movement, we'll start to see a little bit of some breezy areas, breezy locations. As the winds pick up, we'll say goodbye to the fog probably by Tuesday and into Wednesday. But then later in the week, the high continues to shuffle off. We're going to see a cold front drop down. Now, there's a couple scenarios. It pushes all the way through maybe on Friday, but it might not make it all the way to South Texas. If it does, it's going to drop temperatures down, and it could spike up some showers in the area as well, as this boundary brings moisture and runs into moisture, all that lift. Yes, we could see some thunderstorms potentially, but our future tracker not really complying with that boundary coming all the way down and bringing us showers for the most part. We're staying on the dry side. I know this boundary's not coming in until Friday-ish, but looking to stay on the dry side at least through the middle part of the week. Water down to 69, seas only 2 to 3 feet. That'll keep our bays on the smooth side. What's going on? Pretty inactive in the tropics other than this feature in Panama. What's going to happen is really we're seeing disorganized showers and thunderstorms. We could see some flooding and mudslides in some of the higher elevations in Central America, but really this storm is going to start to fizzle out as it moves inland. So for the most part, nothing really going to do too much damage overall other than some flooding and some mudslides. That could be problematic, but not going to cause any problems to the United States or to Texas. We're staying good right now in terms of the tropics, with just really less than a month left in the season. So 67 overnight, 83 for tomorrow. And then for looking ahead to the rest of the week, here's what we got. We fall back, we gain an hour, and then we stay warm until a cold front comes down. And that's right, knocks our temperatures down later on in the week.